Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, and I'm really blessed to be back with another new video. It's been few days I wasn't able to upload any new videos. The reason was because I was busy with some of my visitors and family members for quite some time, so that's the reason why I couldn't make any new videos. But today I am back with another video, so I really believe that each one of us are going to be blessed through this video. So now, without any further delay, let's get straight into the topic. It's hard to forgive, and it's really not easy to forgive when someone hurts us badly. But when we talk about forgiveness, until Jesus went up to the cross to pardon us from our sin, we were under law and we were a slave to sin. But the moment when Jesus suffered and went up to the cross, and the moment he said, "Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they are doing," the moment he said, "It is finished," and gave up his life for us to forgive us from our sin, we were made free from sin. And we have received our healing, our restoration, our forgiveness, our deliverance, and our salvation. So in the same way, we also ought to forgive someone if we want to receive healing, restoration, blessings, and deliverance in our life. It's all about forgiveness. Without forgiveness, there is no healing, there is no restoration, there is no deliverance. Sometimes we just feel like nothing is working in our life. We just feel like, we don't see open doors, we don't see success, we don't see healing in our lives. And we try to blame ourselves, we try to blame someone, or we try to blame the situation. But sometimes, this happens, and then the problem is not the situation or the environment, or the problem is not something else. But the biggest problem is because of unforgiveness. We could not receive our healing, our restoration, and open doors in our life. As a human being, we all make mistakes, right? Who does not make mistakes? And who does not get hurt? Every one of us make mistakes, and every one of us gets hurt. But that doesn't mean that we are supposed to hold grudge against that person who hurt us for the rest of our life. It's not like that. The Bible taught us to forgive people. The Bible clearly says, "Do not condemn, and you will not be condemned." If you don't forgive others, God will not forgive you. That's what the Bible clearly taught us. So, if we don't forgive someone, God will not forgive us. And when we don't receive our forgiveness from God, we will not see blessings, restoration, and healing in our life. So it's really important for us to forgive someone. Holding grudges against others doesn't make us better. It makes us feel bad to worse. It binds us. At the moment when we release forgiveness to that person who has hurt us, we are setting ourselves free. We're making a way for ourselves. And we are also receiving forgiveness from God. So, through this short encouragement, I just want every one of us to remember that person whom we are not able to forgive right now. And I just want each one of us to make a decision right now to forgive them. Right now. I'm telling you, if you have already decided to forgive that person right now, you are receiving your restoration right away. You are going to receive your restoration, your healing and deliverance right away from God, and you are going to receive forgiveness from God right now. Proverbs 17:9. Love prospers when a fault is forgiven, but dwelling on it separates close friends. Mark 11:25. And when you stand praying, if you hold anything against anyone, forgive them, so that your Father in heaven may forgive your sins. So if you have already decided to forgive that person right now, I really believe that you have made the right decision tonight. So as you forgive them, continue to pray for them. I'm sure that you are going to be blessed. So that's all I want to share for tonight. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless you all, and I'll see you in the next video.